Okay, guys, so just a quick review on these three products. They are from the same brand. This is the oil, and this is the Chebe oil with shea butter. And you know shea butter is good for your hair. Some people use it on their skin and it's also good. And this is with shea butter. So I did use the oil on my hair. You can see the amount that leave in it. So that means I have been using it. This one is $40. So this is $40. No joke about it, you guys. And this is how the bottle is. I use it. I do like the oil. You can apply it whether day and night. If you want to apply it overnight and wash it out, you can apply it overnight and wash it out. But what I always do, I use it in my hair like for a week, and then after I shampoo and condition on my hair. So this is the oil here, and it's not a miracle oil, but you see a little improvement. Not after 3 weeks. I mean, because I have been using it longer than 3 weeks, but you do see a little bit of changes in your hair when you purchase this product here. So now we have the mask here and the hair cream. Now let's talk about the mask. You guys, the mask is my favorite out of all. This mask is really amazing. You use this mask, they say after 3 wash you will see improvement. This is a mask that whenever you use it, what I do, I shampoo, I condition, and then I apply the mask. I say leave it there for 1 to 2 hours. I usually leave it within 2 hours time. I wash it out, and it's also have shea butter in it, and it's also um the Chebe from Chad, and it's also natural Chebe powder they use it. It's a hair mask, but you put this in your hair, you leave it there for 1 to 2 hours, and after washing out the hair mask from your hair feel really silky smooth. It's soft, you guys. After washing out, I don't really, when sometimes you wash your hair, you can see a little bit of shedding. I don't really get shedding. I mean, I use it like second time. I haven't get any shedding from it yet. But as I say, it is an amazing mask. The price of this is $35. So if you have a $35, you can order it. I don't know if they sell this on Amazon, but I know where I got it from is $35. And I love the mask. I love, out of the three product, I do love the mask more because it leave my hair silky, silky soft. And I said soft, it leave my hair really soft and smooth. So this is the hair mask. I also have their cream, and this one is also enriched with shea butter. This is also enriched with shea butter. I do love the mask. I'm gonna show you the mask, how the mask look like, and then I'll show you the cream. So this is the mask, you guys. Really, really smooth. It feel like a whipped cream. It's really nice. I love this stuff. As far as the cream is, I do love the cream. It leave my hair really soft. I don't know. This product make my hair soft. I'm not gonna lie to you, you guys. This product make my hair so soft. So this, if you look inside, you can see these little fine herbs, and this is the leave-in cream. And I am using this in my hair. Sometimes I just use this to twist my hair, but after twisting my hair feels soft. And I leave it there for either 2 or 3 days, and it's still soft. All I need to do is just oil my scalp. But this is something that from Africa, and I do love these products. They are great product. This one is also $35. So $35, $35, and $40. So this is $70 for this, and this is yeah, this two is $70 and this one is 40, so it's $110 worth of product here I have in my hand. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. I hope you do like my video, and if you do, like, share, comment, and do subscribe. My name is Ruby Beauty Lifestyle. My channel is about hair, skincare, lifestyle, and I just want to say God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.